Best places to visit in Sweden. Stockholm, capital of Scandinavian elegance. Stockholm, the capital of Sweden, is a city spread across 14 islands connected by bridges and ferries. Explore the historic Gamla Stan, Old Town, home to colorful buildings, and the Royal Palace. Visit the Vasa Museum, housing a remarkably preserved 17th century warship, and wander through the trendy neighborhoods of Södermalm. Kiruna, Arctic adventure and northern lights. Kiruna, located in the far north, offers a unique Arctic experience. Visit the Icehotel, constructed entirely from ice and snow, and experience the mesmerizing northern lights during the winter months. Kiruna is also a gateway to Abisko National Park, known for its pristine wilderness and excellent aurora viewing opportunities. Gothenburg, maritime charm on the west coast. Gothenburg, Sweden's second-largest city, is a vibrant hub with a rich maritime history. Stroll along the picturesque canals of the Haga district, visit the Liseberg amusement park, and explore the Universium Science Center. The city's open-air fish market, Fiskekåka, is a must-visit for seafood enthusiasts. Visby, medieval wonder on Gotland Island. Visby, located on the island of Gotland, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its medieval city walls and cobblestone streets. Explore the well-preserved ruins of the medieval churches, visit the botanical gardens, and immerse yourself in the rich history of this charming Hanseatic town. Abisko National Park, Lapland Wilderness. Abisko National Park, situated in Swedish Lapland, is renowned for its stunning landscapes and opportunities for winter activities. Hike through pristine wilderness, experience the midnight sun in the summer, and enjoy cross-country skiing and dog sledding during the winter. The park is also an ideal spot for viewing the northern lights. Malmö, modernity and diversity in the south. Malmö, located in the southern part of Sweden, is a city known for its modern architecture and cultural diversity. Visit the Turning Torso, the iconic twisted skyscraper, explore the Öresund Bridge connecting Sweden and Denmark, and relax in the picturesque Kungsparken Gardens. Gotland, island retreat with rich heritage. Gotland, Sweden's largest island, offers a serene retreat with medieval charm. Explore the ancient Visby city walls, visit the medieval churches and the Cathedral of St. Mary, and relax on the island's pristine beaches. Gotland is also known for its medieval week, where the island transforms into a living medieval town. Uppsala, academic and historical hub. Uppsala, one of Sweden's oldest cities, is known for its prestigious university and rich history. Visit the Uppsala Cathedral, the Gustaviana Museum, and the Botanical Gardens. The city is also home to the Uppsala Castle and the iconic Uppsala Observatory. Lake Vättern, serene oasis in the heart of Sweden. Lake Vättern, Sweden's second-largest lake, is a serene oasis surrounded by picturesque landscapes. Explore the charming town of Vadstena with its medieval castle and abbey. The lake offers opportunities for sailing, kayaking, and enjoying the tranquility of the Swedish countryside. Sweden's diverse regions offer a mix of historical charm, natural beauty, and modernity. Each of these 10 places provides a unique and memorable experience, contributing to Sweden's rich tapestry of culture and landscapes.